Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good. So in this video we will discuss about classes and object in Java. We have already discussed about classes and object in Java in theoretical terms. Here we will discuss how can we create a class, how to create a object of that class, and how to use that object in another class in practical terms. So let's start with this video. So for this, first create a class name xyz, and inside this class we have two variables like int a and int b. I have one more variable like int result. I am just making this class for calculation, so I am taking a result for that. So how to use that class like xyz variable in sample test class? So first we have to create an object for this, then xyz, and make a object for this aobj is equal to like xyz. Okay, this one is small, that's why it is giving error, because it is Java is case sensitive. So like if you write like this, so you make a reference object. Okay, so how to make object for this class? So obj is equal to new xy and z. Like we can make an object using new keyword for any class. Like new keyword is responsible to allocate memory, and how much memory you are going to use, it will decided by constructor. We will discuss in further with like in upcoming videos of what is constructor and how to use that. For now, for information like I told you. So let's see how we can access that variable in this class using object. So you can write like this, or if you can write these in a same line like this. Okay, for this obj dot a, and we can assign value to class, like we can assign value to a, which is in xyz class. Obj dot b, we can assign b value, which is in xyz class. Okay, and let's just print result, and for this I can use obj dot result. Like I want to print some of that, so I have to create a method in this, like public void and perform. Inside this I am just performing some operations which is stored in result. Okay, so let me tell you about little bit like public. This is a access specifier. We will discuss further in our videos. Void, basically if you don't want to return anything, at that case we can use void. This perform is basically our method name, and so we need to use small braces for that. And inside this I am performing addition operations. We will discuss later about like access specifiers and void. We are using public here because if I want to use this method in any other class, that in that condition we have to just make that method public. Okay, so let's run this and let's see what's the output for this. Sorry, like I forgot to put semicolon here. I've already told you. Oh, sorry, I write this whole statement, my bad. Like result, result, and after that obj dot result. Let's see if I run this. You can see we are getting 0. Why? Because in any other like in C, we are, if we are not assigning any value to any variable, it have just assigned some garbage value to that variable. But in Java, if like Java assign each and every variable to an initial value. Like if you are using string, then it will assign a null value. If you are using int, then it will assign 0 as a garbage value. And how to control that we will discuss in our next like upcoming videos. Garbage collector, how to use garbage collector and why use garbage collector. So like that, and I want to perform any action, so I have to call that method, like which is perform addition. So let's say done this, you can see 32. This is the right output which we are expecting here. So let me just merge all the things again. You can create an object using new keyword. Basically, new keyword is responsible to allocate memory, and how much memory you can use it is decided by constructor. And we have to make that method public so that we can access that method in any other class. So that's all for this video. Thank you, and try to solve these type of problems. Make some other methods, like I have created for form for sub. You can create any other, like subtraction method for subtraction, division method for division, and try to call that in another class using object of that class. So you can understand, you will get understand how to these things work. Try to implement that practically. So that's all for this video. Thank you. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.